Hello everyone, how are you? This is a Al Amin. Today I would like to talk about my daily tasks. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your valuable time. Actually, I am just try to make video for myself as often as I can because I am hardly if I try more and more, then I will be become a fluent speaker as much as possible. Each time I am actually very busy because I have a exam today. That's why I am preparations all my study chapter by chapter. But I'll promise I'll never give up for my dream as well as I try to my best as soon as possible. I don't need to talkings for anybody because I think this place most of the peoples are very bad, especially students for he study hard for his journey, but most of the people say, why are you wasting your time? You don't realize this earth is a very hard for student life. In that case, I should be never give up for myself as much as possible. Today, this weather, such a sunny day, as well as this weather is really feel amazing. I thought when I was younger, I love helping with each other because this village most of the person are very kind, honest and hospitable. Specifically in the women, because the women helping for his child and husband, as well as he tried to helping with each other. This place I'm making video beside the big fun. This fun is my favorite place. When I have a free time, then I took bath a lots of person, as well as we were laughing with each other. I used to talking with lots of person, because if I talking with each other, then I think I want to improve my communication skill as well as my teamwork skill. In my village, this air feels amazing. However, if I try to make a lots of money, then I will be helping with my family as soon as possible, because my family was very poor and I am also poor, but I am looking forward any kind of job, but I couldn't get any job. But after complete my degree, then I will have been left for another country as soon as possible. Then I will be become a businessman one day in my dream. According to is including very bad situation in my country, because when you was unfit for anybody, because most of the peoples are very bad, then you should be never give up for yourself. You must be Never give up for your dream as much as possible. While you was work hard, then you will be become a achieve for your dream as soon as possible. Additionally, when I was talking with others, then I feels more comfortable because this place most of the people are very honest. I really appreciate for my village because I love my living place as much as I try to become a AC for my dream as soon as possible. That's why I try to a little bit day by day. So, how about make another video in the next day? That's all pity about me. Thank you everyone for your patience and hearing.